Hello everyone and welcome back to Keyboard Surfers. So recently Google One is blowing up, and if you search on internet that what is Google One, so in all those articles you will see that Google One is a website or a service that has been launched recently. I don't know why they are saying so because Google One has been launched 2 years ago. And if you don't know, so let me tell you that it is a paid service. So in this video, I will be telling you all about Google One. So let's begin. So basically, Google One is a cloud storage. If you don't know what cloud storage means, it is basically a place where you can store your data. For example, I can save any file from a computer into cloud storage and you can access that data from another device like your mobile or any other laptop you have. So now we know what is Google One. So let's talk about its release date. As you know that Google One is number one in ad browsing, so it also wanted to become number one in cloud storage. That's why they launched Google One 2 years ago, but it was not very successful. That's why we didn't hear much about it at that time. It was unable to be successful. Also, Google Photos at that time provided unlimited storage for photos and videos, so no one really needed to buy it. But recently, Google closed unlimited cloud storage in Google Photos. So now everybody is just in a shock and in their hurry they bought Google One subscription. And after it was done, so Google said that their internet storage has been completely filled, and on 14th the Google was breakdown for an hour. So maybe that is the reason why they are closing Google Photos free service. So now you know that what is Google One, why are we hearing much about it now, and what's its actual release date. So this was all about Google One that you need to know. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.